Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Yummy and Ellie. So today I'll let you know how to make a mug pizza in microwave in just 2 minutes. So let's get started. Here I've taken baking soda, baking powder, all-purpose flour, milk, half chopped onions, half chopped capsicum, mozzarella cheese, salt and seasonings and mug and olive oil. Here I have taken broad shaped mug. You also try to take this type of mug only because it will get equal ingredients as it should get, and if you will take the heighted mug, so it will not taste good as it will not get more ingredients as per taste. So here first I am taking 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida. So here I have taken 1/4 teaspoon salt. You can take as per your taste also. So next I will be adding 1/6 teaspoon of baking powder. So next step is to add olive oil. You can use refined also if you have. Now mix it well so that it should not get bind. So next step is to add 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix it well so that it should become a dough-like structure. So next step is to add 1 pinch of baking soda and then mix it well. Now mix it well to make a perfect dough. Guys, as you can see, the dough is ready and set. So now we need to spread it to make a bottom layer like this. As you can see, our bottom base is ready. So now I am going to add pizza sauce, and I am using Fun Food pizza pasta sauce. And if you want to add any another, so you can add. So here I am using 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce to make a layer above the base. And now you can see it's ready like this. And if you don't have the pizza sauce available with you, so you can use tomato ketchup and add Szechuan sauce also in it. So next step is to grate the mozzarella cheese. If you like more cheesy, so you can add more mozzarella cheese. So as you can see that I like more cheesy pizza, so I have add more cheese. And if you don't like cheese, so you can add better of your choice. Now, so here I am adding few half cut onions, and if you like more vegetables, so you can add bell pepper, olives, boiled corns, etc. And now adding some capsicums. So I like little bit more cheesy, so I am adding more cheese into it. So now it's time to add seasonings. I am adding snap-in oreganos and snap-in chili flakes. Here I have added half teaspoon of oregano and half tablespoon of chili flakes. So now you can see it's very tasty, and now I'm going to microwave it for 2 minutes. It's not compulsory to microwave it for 2 minutes. You can microwave it for 1 minute 30 seconds also. You can see once that it's microwaved or not, and it's not compulsory to microwave. As you can see, it's very much looking tasty, and it's the final result of that, and I'm too much craving to eat it. See how much cheesy. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment to my video. Thank you. Bye. And do try it also, and mention your reviews in the comment section also. Thank you.